Welcome to the CSAB Bulletin Board system. This is the installation process and guidelines of the Bulletin Board system. So, let's start. The program installation. First, install SAMP from the flash drive provided. After installation, run SAMP control panel and click the action button of Apache for the host and MySQL for the database. Go back to the flash drive and go to the SAMP folder and copy the PHP configuration settings and then paste to PHP folder found in the SAMP folder located at the local disk C and then paste it. Just click replace button if there's a system message appear. Go back to the flash drive and copy the CSAB/BBS folder and then go to the local disk C. Find SAMP folder, then htdocs and paste it. Now, let's go to importing the database. Go to the browser and type in the address bar localhost-phpMyAdmin. Go to import and choose SQL file located in your database folder at your flash drive. And then scroll down and click Go. The running program. First is the admin page. Go to the browser and type localhost/csab/bbs/bulletin. Log in the default username and password, which is admin. You can see the dashboard of the admin page, where you can see the system's total post, main bulletin total post, main bulletin active post, total groups. You can also see the recently post added and scheduled post, which is later to be discussed. You can see in the sidebar menu are the post, group, subgroup, users, gallery, reports, general settings, and file system. In all posts in this section, you can see here all the posted information, the active posts, the upcoming posts, and the active pinned post in this group and subgroup. You can also see in the option level the action button where you can choose view, edit, delete, and unpost. Create post. In this section, you can create post where you can also choose a cover type, whether an image or a video. In the image radio button, just click choose file. In the video radio button, just click select file. And take note, MP4 format only. And then you can put the title here. In the category, you can choose whether it is activities, events, announcements, news, and others. In the post duration, you can schedule your post on when you want to be posted in the main bulletin board. After you choose, you can put now your content. You can also edit your content like putting an image, changing the fonts, font styles, and many more. After that, click Submit. And you can see your post in My Post. In this section, you can see your active and ended posts. You can also see the action button. By adding groups, you click the Manage Group section. On the right side, you put the group type you want to add. Example, departments and offices. Once you click Add, you would able to see your group type in the left side. If you want to add group, just click the Add and Edit group located in the bottom left side. Once you click that button, you will see in the right side the information that you must fill out. But first, you put your logo by clicking the Select Image. Then the group name. It must be the full definition of your group. Then the acronym, and the last, the group type which you input previously. And then click Add. By adding subgroup, it is same procedure with the adding groups, but there's an additional information to be filled out, which is group. Take note, the asterisk sign means required. It must be filled out. In this section, you will add users who can access and who will input information. As you can see in the right side, it is the fill out form. Let's try Dean Cabex. Next, choose None. Because Dean Cabex belongs to the group, not subgroup. But if you input here, for example, area head, you must choose the organization they are in because they belong to the subgroup section. Next, the user type and its permission. In our case, we choose to have Dean Cabex, so we must click the radio button of Dean. And as you observe, she can access all the permission. But also, you can customize their permission. And after that, click Save. Let's go to albums. Just click Add Photo Album. Then you fill out the information, and if you want to publish, then choose Yes. If no, then it's No, and click Submit. When you want to upload image inside of the photo, click Upload Image. You click the area or you can drag a photo towards the area, then automatically it will be uploaded. On the reports, in this section, you can choose what kind of a category you want to print PDF format. For example, we choose announcements, subgroup, organizations, and ACS. You can choose also if you want all dates or custom date range. In custom date range, you can choose the date you want to filter in your PDF file. Then click Generate Report. Another way how to print report is to filter the content. Just type a keyword and just enter and you will see the result. In general settings, in this section you can edit the appearance of the bulletin board, and the CSAB profile and your profile. And last thing, the file system. You can see the post archives, which is similar to recycle bin. You can restore the deleted post, and also for the backup, it can back up database. Now let's proceed for the user page. Let's say we already created a user account, for example, for the students. And also previously, we created a user account for the dean. And as you can see, students have its limitation for their access. And if you would notice in the sidebar, post consists only create post and my post. Let's try creating a post. Same with the admin page, you can select an image or a video, write your title, choose category, choose the duration, date, and time, and your content. But the difference between the admin and the user is that they have an option whether they can or they want to post it on the main bulletin or not. And then click submit. They can oppose immediately without the acceptance or approval of the higher rank of the group or subgroup, which is for the X, which is for the example the dean or the area head. Once they submit their post, they can view the status on their My Post and if it's approved or not. Let's try to open the dean's profile and see if there is a pending post to be approved. You can see that there is a notification. Open the notification and click approve if has no revision on the said post. So let's go to the front end bulletin board. This is the bulletin board and its appearance. The top view is the bulletin board name, and you can click this button to view all the bulletin boards. The navigation bar contains the home, categories, gallery, and about bulletin. In the home page, you can see a slideshow of pinned posts. Under that is the most recent post or the posts that are currently active. The right side of the activities or events where the current event is shown here. In upcoming activities or events, you can find the upcoming event that are available for a week. Recent news, or this is the section where the recently news is posted. The categories, this page is where you can find the post sorted by category. Gallery, this section is where you can find the photos available in this bulletin board. And the About page is where you can find the short introduction and history of the institution. The TV mode function is where you don't have to use a keyboard or mouse, or you don't need to manipulate it. Only pinned post can be shown here.